Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now we have to tap on this edit contact in the right lower corner and tap on the camera icon on the left. And as you can see here, we've got two different options. So we've got the option to take a photo, and then after picking this option, your device will open the camera app. So you can choose it if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it and find the photo you'd like to use and tap. And here from this step we can adjust the position of the photo. We can adjust also the size of this highlighted square, just like that. We can zoom in or out the photo using two fingers, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So just position like you want to. Here you can rotate the picture, it's up to you. So if you're happy with the results, maybe something like that, then just tap on Save Copy. As you can see, it will immediately appear right here, so let's tap on Save. It's very important. And as you can see here, we've got our photo added to the contact, and it will be also visible on the contact list. So actually, that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.